Good afternoon everybody, thanks very much for tuning in, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be changing out my battery on my R1250R, so stick around, stay tuned. I'm just going to quickly run you through how I do that, what tools I need, and just how simple it really is to do. So we're just going to undo the screw here. To reveal the battery, and put that down on the ground. Undo these bits here and here, tuck it up here above the casing. We just need to pull the battery out slightly, and to do that just have to lift it up. Comes up and out. So that comes off like that. That's a bit of a struggle, but basically you've got these two pieces here that sit into the hole there, and then this piece here goes into the bottom there. You've got to lift it to be able to do it. Once that's out, you can then just pull the battery forward. Out she comes. Before you pull it out any further, you have to undo this terminal here. I'm just going to undo this. Now slide the battery out, and I've now got to undo this one as well. That's your positive there, so that goes back onto that one. That's nice and tight, and push that back in, and she goes. And then we have to so the battery is now reconnected to the bike. I'll just test and go up here and make sure it's going to turn on, which it should do. Yep, there we go. No problems at all. New battery in. If we go down to my information, the battery's showing 12.1 volts. That should be enough to start the bike. No problem at all. And now the bike's running, it's showing 14.4 volts. Okay, so we'll turn it off again now anyway. So that's proof that the battery that I've installed is working fine, no problems. And what I need to do now is replace the housing. This bit can be quite tricky with this, I think. Just bring it back out slightly, and it's easier to put it back in. It just needs to sit on the battery itself, and that's it now. Lovely. It's in its space. That's where it should be. And then we just bring this down, attach this, and attach that, and then we just need to put the cover back on, which is only one screw. It's very straightforward. There we go. That's going nowhere. All good. Okay, so that's a very quick video on how to change out the battery. As I say, when I put the battery in, it's then showing 12 volts or just over when the bike's on. Once I start the bike, it's rising up to 14.5 volts. Strong starting, no problems at all. And I'll give all the specifics about the battery that I've changed it in, and I'll report back and let you know if this new battery resolves the issue, or if I need to go back to BMW and get one of their original batteries. I took it in for a service a little while ago. BMW said on the drop test, the battery that I put in, which was a non-original part, wasn't strong enough. So one more try with this company, and if not, I'll go back to BMW and take their battery. Anyway, thanks very much for tuning in, guys. Thanks for watching this very quick video. To those of you who have subscribed, thank you very much indeed also. Until next time, guys, please do ride safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye bye for now.